Kita na nababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Season ning here in Pampanga. Ngini po nga daw ngayon at kami po kayo ning Kilub Clark. And we were invited to introduce to you ining bayong milk tea shop. We've heard na ining milk tea shop ini is bala mo blended or combination yan ng cafe and a milk tea. Wait, so welcome to Zii Cafe. Ayan. My impression, the way they designed the cafe or the store is to have a really good conversation. Bala makanta. If you're familiar, of course, with the huge coffee shops, bala mo makanini. It's a cafe and a milk tea shop all in one. Tayo ngayon actually panayin tayo ni Sir Joseph kasi abaya na akong minum ka rin tsaka sabihan tayo lang bagya. So bahay tayo mag-umpisa, kumanta na yung kanilang hot coffee. Thanks for being with us Kenny pong Zii Milk Tea and Cafe with me Sir Joseph. So ya pong mika pa ka na pang pepakit ko kaya kayo nandin how these drinks were prepared na. So first of all, sir, thank you for preparing po at saka inviting us na. My first take kening lugar yung my impression na. Sabi ko na din kitang kwentuhan ta, this is by far area size na largest king ikit ko ka rin milk tea shop, corporate chain cafe. So alila mo bala mo milk tea to go maya. Kenny magstay ka, ipagkwento. Kenny, na mo rin sabihin ng Zii.
So Zii meaning friendship in Taiwan. In Kai, so every customer,
yes,
we build friendship. So friendship smile.
Taiwanese language, which means friendship. Okay. Yung buri ko nandin karetang minunggewa yu, sir. Super basic. No fancy.
Yes.
Nung nanitan taste from Taiwan, mga niting.
So we keep the keep may itong pang-authenticity nitong tea talaga.
Correct.
So in every sip, distinguish may itong lasa na yung tea na every drink.
Correct.
So we have pure sugar, pure sweet. Add-ons lara bakit. Gawa Mexican binumi. So kinompress may ay ganang best sellers na rin milk tea. So by category ng classic milk tea.
Correct.
So we have the cream cheese series, the brown sugar series, and our own special tea series.
Buli da kayong commend na.
Yes, sir.
Kasi being me na dakal mo na rin napunta lang. Minsan malilito ko. Minsan ako nabalo talaga nung nanitang premium. Pero ikit ko categorize yun lang. So this is the classic milk tea. We stick with it.
Yes.
Sige po.
So first of all, we have the classic black pearl milk tea. So we have pinipeka original na kareng milk tea. Ating to flavor na.
So nung ating how it started, gana-gana atin nila yung kanya.
Yes sir, so proper brewing na ng tea.
Okay.
Atin itong basic flavor na ng milk tea.
Okay. And then it evolved. Eventually, may kaalawalong flavor.
This is the winter melon. Then our original taro, so we use the fresh taro for it. Taro milk tea. Then cream cheese Oreo milk tea.
Cream cheese Oreo milk tea.
Then we have our version of matcha, cream cheese matcha.
Okay.
And then the salted cream cheese caramel. And then for our brown sugar, we have the brown sugar fresh milk.
Okay.
And the combination of coffee and milk. This one, brown sugar latte.
Oh, ini ka rin coffee series yun naman. Although coffee series siya, atin yung infused pa rin na tea.
Coffee, yes.
Okay.
And then our chocolate supreme.
Wow.
For the special tea.
Okay.
And our version of special Thai tea.
Special Thai tea. Ulitan kaya mo yung sinabi ko nandun. Actually, itang menu alika ma-confuse nung nano talaga yung buri mo. So you want it classic, you want it ating cream cheese, or you want it special, which is din yun retang ating chocolate, ating nakain. Amazing. Okay.
Then we have our own tea. So we have the rose black tea and the sakura green tea.
So rose black at saka
sakura green tea.
So usually initang when you serve it talagang hot na. Okay. So siguro suggest mo sir after a great dinner.
Yes.
And then po tang magpa-relax. So kaya wala mo magpababang kapsi, po tang magpababa ng kapsi. Apin din. Okay.
from green apple fruit tea,
Mhm.
and then passion fruit and lychee fruit tea.
Okay. On our right side,
On our right side, sir, we have our coffee menu for the blended.
coffee blended.
We have the Java chip. Java chip.
Mhm.
Then green tea cream, cookies and cream, coffee crumble, then strawberry smoothies.
So here, at
Then we
least...
don't use sugar in our milk tea.
Wow. So,
So
kung
we
ano
don't
lang kayo
have
na
the
din,
sugar level.
alalang, ating kayo mong
Standard
standard
talaga.
sugar level. And then, kukutan ko na din. Nung ako gagamit sugar, anong gagamitan niyo?
Happening ang mga secret na ng tea ito.
Secret na ning Z.
Yes.
So, Denny Ring, street food or malamang finger food dati in Taiwan. Available lang mo naman po kay ni Zii Milk Tea and Cafe. So, tamanta lang eh. Keng tutu, ako balo nung nanulang like, bala mo para-pareho lang fishball, squid ball, takmantanga na mo. So, I think this is fish tofu. So, sabi mo na natin. So, this is fish tofu. Okay, dip it on your sweet and spicy. Amazing. Ano nga na? Maraming magandang nanos ka nito. May texture na hanggang kain hanggang A is 2. Hanggang A is 2 yung terminology ko. Pero bala mo, payali ko na yung sasabihin. Mga bash ko ba? Sa mga bash Pero manya-manya. So maging available na po rin menu nga rin ni with their prices on their opening day. So we are privileged na muna kami kung makatama ka rin. Ini manebon pugo. Pero kay tutuba lang mo tinape ing pagkakalawi ako na yan. So again, kanyang sinabi dala kaya kami Renny kahit ang Taiwanese balls. Taiwanese balls. So finger food dala naman siguro kayong Taiwan eh.
Ang feeling parang caviar.
This one?
Yeah.
The second one na tigman ko, kaya balo lagyo again mas manya-manya ng tofu. Sabi mo yun Lumatang kayo na elemen tayo kayong gilid. Game?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh man. Kanya palang bala mo cheese.
Yeah.
Dakala salamat po for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yes po, dakala salamat
Thank
po
you.
for watching our vlog. So until our next discovery, let's have our milk tea day.